How many times can you do a facelift? So the good thing about facelift is it's not the same as rhinoplasty, whereas every time you do a rhinoplasty, it gets more difficult with more scar tissue and more issues that you can face doing that procedure. With the facelift, there are revision facelifts where you are fixing problems that were there from a previous surgery, but a lot of times you're doing a facelift again just because time has passed and you're very happy with it, but just you want to go back to where it was 10 years ago. So you can do them 2, even 3 times. I'm sure you could even do it a 4th, but in my patients, I've seen people do this 2 to 3 times in their life, and that usually spans a good period of time that you're able to look and feel your best. And it, for me, has more to do with your medical condition, how fit you are for surgery, just making sure your heart and your lungs and everything are at their optimal before we do surgery. So if you have had a few surgeries and we're in that 70 to 80 age range, I would just ask your primary care physician to give us a letter just saying that you're optimized. There's nothing else that we would do to make sure you can do your very best and heal your very best after the surgery. So less about how many times, but more about where you're at in life and medically, what kind of result can you get from the facelift. Have questions? Schedule a consultation at drangela.sturm.com.